In today's video, let's see the chemical tanker survival criteria. Survival criteria: ships subject to the codes should be capable of surviving the assumed damage specified to a minimum standard and in a condition of stable equilibrium. All ships should be supplied with administration-approved stability information for both intact situations. The ship's loading instrument is approved by the flag state and used to demonstrate that the ship is loaded in compliance with both intact and damage stability criteria. The IBC code specifies the maximum extent of assumed damage caused by collision or stranding. The details of the damage assumptions are shown in the tables. Survivability: a Type 1 chemical tanker should be able to survive the assumed damage referred to previously anywhere in its length. Given that Types 2 and 3 chemical tankers are not required to possess the same degree of damage survivability, they have to be able to survive the assumed damage referred to above within specified areas of the ship's length. These assumptions are based on the ship's length and are shown in the table. In the case of small Type 2 and 3 chemical tankers, which do not comply in all respects with the above criteria, special dispensation may only be considered by the administration provided that alternative measures can be taken which maintain the same degree of safety. Types 1 and 2 cargo tank vertical location, as well as determining survival criteria for damage assumptions. It is logical to ensure that cargo tanks intended for the carriage of the most dangerous and/or noxious liquid substances are placed in protected locations within the hull where the cargo would be offered maximum protection in the event of hull damage. The vertical protection requirements for a Type 1 or 2 tank are Types 1 and 2B/15 or 6M, whichever is less, measured from the molded line of the bottom shell plating at the center line. Types 1 and 2 cargo tank horizontal location. The horizontal protection requirements for a Type 1 or Type 2 tank are Type 1, B/5 or 115M, whichever is less, inboard of the ship's side at right angles to the center line at the level of the summer load line. Type 2, cargo tanks should be located not less than 760 mm inboard from the ship's side plating. Type 3 cargo tank location. For Type 3 chemical tankers, there are no requirements for the location of cargo tanks. Traditional designs were built with Type 3 wing tanks and Type 2 and Type 1 center tanks, affording them maximum cargo carrying potential. The oil/chemical tanker. Remember that the requirements of MARPOL Annex I apply to tankers carrying oil cargoes. So any chemical tanker carrying oils, Annex I cargo, must do so in a tank which complies with the double hull tanker requirements of Annex I. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Let us know your questions or comments in the comment box below. For more such videos, subscribe to MarinAura.